Hi, my name is Dr. Margaret Mary. We are going to be discuss about confusion matrix. What is confusion matrix? Is a matrix that summarizes the performance of machine learning model, a set of text data. It is often used to measure the performance of classification model. In confusion matrix, the basic principle, the primary building block is TP, NP, FP, and Fn. So in the further slide, we will discuss what it is. It is very, very important. Confusion matrices are widely used because they give a better idea of models performance than classification accuracy does. So it is very important. The person who's doing the research, they have to know the classification evolution matrix that's come under the confusion matrix. Confusion matrix is a performance evolution tool in machine learning representing the accuracy of the classification models. It displays the number of true positive, true negatives, false positive, and false negatives. It's very significant when you want to identify any accuracy level in the research or in any innovation, what you've taken, that if you want to measure that, how correct performance is giving, you need to be take measure under the confusion matrix. It analyzes the model performance, identify the misclassification, and improve the predictive accuracy. A confusion matrix is an n into n matrix. What is that? That is row and column performance, where the n is the total number of target classes. The matrix compare the actual target value with those predicted by the machine learning model. So what it is? So actually you can see here, it is row and column. When you say see in the column wise, it is actually positive and negative. Means that is a very simple table to depict how we can do the confusion matrix. It is 2 by 2. Totally, we have a 4 values. So when you see is a column side, it is the actual value. In column side, actual value, we have a 2 column. One is called as a positive, one is we will call it as a negative. When you say as a row side, when you say as a row side, we have a predicted value. The machine is predicted that what is the value. That is also we have a 2 rows, that is 2 rows, one is the positive and one is negative. So we'll go for the further example how it is be working. So what it is, actually the target value has 2 values. One is we will call it as a positive, one is we will call it as a negative. The column represent the actual value of the target variable. The column is actually whatever the data sets we are giving, actual data sets. What is the target value? What is actually is a predict, means actually it is a value, it is that it is going to be depict or it is going to be show in the column side. So that's why we will call it as the column represent the actual value of the target value. So when you're coming for the row side, so it's very, very important. You may think that why it is so important. If you understand the basic fundamental rows and columns, the data, that value is false, how we want to be understand. When you understand that, so that your accuracy and how the data is predicting, how your models, means which is the tool are you using, it is correctly it's predicting the value or not. Through this matrix only we may understand. So I'm insisting, it is very, very important. The table may look, it is very small, row and column 2 into 2. So we can go for the n number of, means you can go by 3 by 3, depends on the data sets out you are taking. You can take it, means it is 3 by 3, 4 by 4, 5 by 5. You can take it as a row and column, but it is in the column side, it is going to be represent as the actual values. So if you know that actual value, then we can identify the machine is predicting is correct or not. So that we can identify it is correct or not. So that one side we'll keep it as in the column side is the actual value, and we are keep it in the row side, means that is the predicted value. But what it is? TP, PF, FN, and TN here. That is a very crucial part of the confusion matrix. So just I want to know that, just I want to explain in this, what is the confusion matrix? The confusion matrix is summarize the performance of machine learning. It is often used to measure the performance of classification model. It can be used to evaluate the performance of classification model through the calculation of performance matrix like accuracy, precision, recall, and F-score. It's very, very important. So just you try to understand. Column side, we have an actual value. On the row side, we have a predicted value. So in further with the example, why we need TP? What is a TP? With the example. What is FP? With the example. What is the use of false negative? What is a true negative? How it is be working? I will discuss in the further class. Thank you.